Today we are going to look at how you can factory reset a Panasonic Dect phone. Now, with many people these days getting rid of their landlines, you might find that you might want to donate your phone to charity, recycle it, give it to a friend, or even just throw it away. But obviously what you've got to bear in mind is on your phone, you may well have people's phone numbers. You've got your call history. You may have other things. You may have notes stored on your phone. So this video is going to show you how you can factory reset your phone with just a couple of button pushes. And this applies to most Panasonic phones. I'm not going to say that it's going to apply to all Panasonic phones, but it does apply to most. And it certainly works every time I've tried this on a Panasonic phone. So first of all, what we need to make sure is we need to make sure that the base is switched on. Also that you're disconnected from the phone line. Unplug the phone from the phone line. Otherwise, when doing this, you might end up calling your bank, certainly in the UK. So, as I say here, here's my phone, and let's just have a look. If I just go into the phone book, and as you can see, there we go. I've got a number in the phone book. I've also got call histories. I've got other things on this phone, God knows what, but I've had it for a long time, so I don't feel that easy about throwing the thing away with what could be personal information on it. So what we need to do is we need to make sure we can locate these buttons here. Button number 1, button number 5, button number 9, and the star button. And with it off the hook, what we need to do is we need to hold down 1, 5, 9 and star and keep those buttons held down, okay, until you hear a beep. So I'm going to do that now. So it's a bit tricky. So let's just make sure all these buttons are held down. Here we go. And we're listening for another beep. So the beep never come, and I found out why, and that's because I wasn't holding down the 9. So there you go. Let's just make sure I'm holding those buttons down. So that's 1, 5 and 9. Let's keep that held down, and the star. And there we go. We just heard another beep then. So once we hear another beep, let's just try that again. I just want to make sure we've got that. So 1, 5, 9 and star. Keep those held down. There we go. Just heard the beep. And let's just check to make sure that it's wiped the phone book. So let's just go into the phone book. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. It actually now says, it's a bit blurry, actually now says memory empty. So that's actually wiped it. On some phones, you might find after doing that, what you have to do is you have to take the back off and just take the battery out. Okay, take one of the batteries out so that the phone switches off completely. Put the battery back in and then just slide the cover up. Okay, turn the phone back on just by holding down the power logo, this one just here. Keep it held down, and then when the phone comes back on, just go into something like, I don't know, like the phone book, and just check just to make sure that it says memory empty, or there's certainly nothing in the phone book. So there you go. Apologies for the blurriness there. There's not much I can do about that, but there you go. Now that phone is ready to be disposed of. Now you might find if you've got more than one handset, you might have to do this to each of the handsets. Obviously go through the handsets and just check. If you've still got information on the other handsets, then like I say, hold down 1, 5 and 9 and the star and keep them held down, okay, until you hear this long beep. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds, sometimes it takes a while, and it might take a few goes. Let's just go back to there. Hold down 1, 5, 9 and start. Keep them held down. There we go. And you hear the long beep. And then once you heard the long beep, that's it, it's wiped. Let us know in the comments down below if it worked for you. Let us know if it didn't work for you. Let us know the model number of your Panasonic Dect phone, and perhaps we could help each other out if anyone else knows any other ways to reset. I mean, sure, for instance, if you wanted to reset the phone book, you can just go into, I believe, you can go into the phone book and then go into that middle button, certainly on this here, and there is an option to erase all, and then OK it, and just confirm and OK, and are you sure? OK, and there you go. It then erases all the phone book, but you still might have all the history, the received calls and the dialed calls might still be in there. So obviously, it's a good idea to completely erase it. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things help us make more great videos for you.